Monday, May 9th. And the puppies have their t-shirts on. Hey. Hi. You know how cute you guys look. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, puppies. You guys. Don't they look adorable? Okay. Star in front crying as usual. And, geez, it's a little harder to tell apart, but we know who that is. Butterfly. And that's Gunner. Hi, Gunner. And, who are you? Are you Popcorn? You bet you're Popcorn. I know you still. Yogi on the left. And that'd be Blue. Blue. Hi, Blue. Yeah. Yeah, I know, you guys have got lots to say. So they're just in their little pen outside, and just gonna do some cleaning in the house, and thought, hey, it's actually nice and cool, and not too cold for them, but just a little cooler for them to have some shirts on. You guys look so adorable. So they'll spend a little bit of time out here in their pen and playing on the grass, enjoying themselves, hopefully. Oh dear. What have you got to say? Okay. Oh, boys and girls. I just felt like it was too hot to get the sweaters out, so I got them t-shirts instead. You guys look awesome. Oh my goodness, I can't get over how cute you look. Hey, Butterfly. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, Yogi. Hey, you got lots to say too? Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi. 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 Yes, I know. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. No, you keep looking away every time I put it on you. Hey, hi, guys. Oh, I know, Popcorn. You've got lots to say. Yeah. Blue. Hi. A little bit of a squeak out of Blue, not much. Hello, buddy. Hi. Hello. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, we always pet the ones in the back who are sitting down, behaving. Yeah? I know. Okay, well, that's the cuteness for now. Happy Monday, everybody.